Hey, this is Harun. So you are watching HTML lecture 2. The tag that we are going to discuss is image tag, table tag and list tag. Now we are going to our project. It's open and notepad. Now you can see the HTML of your project. Maximize it and write here image tag. img image tag don't have ending tag. Now write here attribute crc is equal double quotes. crc stands for source. Here you have to give the address of your picture. My project and picture both are in the same folder. So pic is the name of the picture, so right click on it and properties, and you can see the type of file. Its extension is png.png. So I'm going to give the name of the picture in source attributes pic and extension .png. Now go back to your HTML and remove. Now save it and go back to your browser and refresh. You can see there is no picture because I was erased my image tag. Now image tag is back. Save and refresh. Now the picture is back. I'm making here a new folder, images, and cut your image and paste it in image folder. Now go back to your HTML. I'm giving here folder name images slash. Now save it and refresh your browser. You can see there is no effect in your image. Now remove the S and go back and refresh. Now there is no image because there is address error. Now back and save and refresh. You can see the image is back. I'm going to give here a alt attribute. Alt stands for alternate. I'm writing here something wrong. Alternate attribute is used when there is no picture. The alternate message will be appeared. So I'm writing here something wrong. You can see how it works. Refresh. Save it and now refresh. You can see there's something wrong that we are using it alternate in alt attributes. Something wrong I was using alt attributes that appear in your browser because there is address error. There is no address of the picture in your source attribute. I'm giving back to address to source attributes. Now go to browser, refresh, and you can see the image. Now I'm going to give here a style attributes. Now save it and go back to your browser, refresh. You can see the width and height that I gave in style attributes was changed the width and height of the image. Now go back to your HTML and change the width 200 pixel and change the height 200 pixel. Now save it and refresh, and you can see the height and width was changed. Now I'm going to discuss table. It's table open tag. Next table ending tag. Now you have to give here tr stands for table raw data. For example, I'm writing here table heading. th stands for table heading. I'm writing here first name, then last name, then age. It's my table heading. The row appear in the document with first name, last name and age. It's for table headings. And now I'm going to here table data, or refresh it. It's first name, last name and age. You can see it's very close to each other. Now I'm going to give style attributes, and is equal to 100 with 100%. Now save it and refresh. Now it's cover 100% width of the browser. Now go back to your HTML. I'm giving here tr omega and other table row, and give here table data. It is TD stands for table data. I'm giving here table data. First table data was John, the first name John, the last name is Smith and the age is 25. You can see how it's work. Because we are using only HTML, the styling problem is covered in our CSS lecture. So I'm going to zoom here and you can see. Now I'm giving another table data, that is Harry Clean 50. So move to the list. There is two types of list, unordered list and ordered list. First of all, unordered list. UL stands for unordered list, and we are using UL tag for unordered list, and LI stands for list item. So the data that we are using in LI will appear with the unordered list. I'm giving here coffee, pizza and burger. So now refresh, you can see it's unordered with bullets. It's a unordered list. And now I'm giving here a ordered list. OL tag, OL open and OL closing tag is used for ordered list. Now I'm giving here same data. Now save it and refresh. Now you can see the difference. The first unordered list will appear with bullets, and the second is ordered list will was appear in 1, 2 or counting form. Now zoom back it, you can see clearly. HTML also support description list. What is description list? In description list, DL define description, DL define description, DT define the term, the description of the term, and the DD describe each term. So let's see how it's work. So I'm going to write in H1 HTML description list, and now DT. DT open and DT close tag. Now right here coffee and DD tag open and DD closing tag. I'm writing here black hot drink. Now right here another DT tag, and right here milk and DD white call drink. Now save it and refresh. It's coffee and the description of the coffee is black hot drink, and milk and description of the milk is white call drink. Now you was learn image tag, table tag and list tags. Now for further lecture you can see computer